Hi, this is Judy Mario, and this is the World of Book Reviews. And today we are talking about a children's book which is entitled Spring is Here. And this book has 11 stories and rhymes in the book. Some of them are new to all of us, they're new stories, and some of them are old rhymes that we've known from the time even we were little children, if we can remember that far back. The stories are told by Rachel Elliott, and the book is illustrated by Pauline Stewart. And you'll see, again, it's one of those books for young children that's very sturdy. I believe they're called block books, but they're made from cardboard, so they're sturdier, and it makes them to where they're almost indestructible. And it's got some great stories in here, and then it's got some of the oldies but goodies like Mary Had a Little Lamb, which is in here, and Hot Cross Buns. So these are rhymes that we heard when we were children, but then it's got new stories that we haven't heard, and it asks, what is your favorite springtime animal, or what is your favorite springtime food? So it gets the child to think a little by asking questions throughout. It also talks about an Easter egg hunt, and it has a place for them to find the eggs. They've actually hidden eggs in the pictures throughout the book, so it's for them to find those particular eggs. This is a tisket, a tasket. That was a rhyme that we heard back even when I was a child, which was 100 years ago. And all kinds of stories about ducklings and other little animals, but it's all about springtime and what happens in the spring. And you know, it reminded me because I just moved into a new house, and I was getting ready to take something out of the car to take into the house, and down the street came a mama goose and a daddy goose and 7 little babies, and they just walked right down the middle of the street and walked right up to me and looked at me and then walked away. So I felt like they had welcomed me to the neighborhood. And this book is kind of that way. It's got those kind of stories in it that make you feel welcome, that spring is here. And so this is a book for a young child, someone 3, 4, 5 years old. Thank you for joining me tonight, and read to your children.